Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to update the CoinEx application on your mobile device. If you want to download and install the latest CoinEx application on your mobile device, then watch the video till the end. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's type, and then go to the search box at the top and type in CoinEx. Soon after you do that, you'll then be able to see the CoinEx application displayed in the search result. Make sure to open up this info page, and then if you see an update button popping up in blue or in green, simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of CoinEx app. If you don't see the update button, it means that you are currently running on the latest version itself, so there is no need to be updating it right away. So that's how you easily update your CoinEx application, whether you are using an Android or your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.